50. Tenants. In Psalm 147, 17-19, we have a passage with an emphasis very common to Scripture. First, we are told of the cold and ice brought in by God's ordination, as well as the wind, the thaw, and the spring torrents. Second, we read, quote, "He showeth his word unto Jacob, his statutes and his judgments unto Israel." End quote. J. A. Alexander in 1850 called attention to the meaning of these words of the psalm, saying, quote, "The God of nature is the God of revelation. He who thus controls the elements and seasons is the God of Israel and will work spiritual changes corresponding to these natural phenomena for the benefit of the people whom he has entrusted with the revelation of his will." End quote. God uses the weather both to bless and to judge the peoples of the earth. Natural events thus reveal God's dealings with us. This world was made by God, together with all creation, and is controlled and governed absolutely by Him. Men and nations have the use of this earth as a stewardship from God and subject always to His word and overlordship. Over the centuries, God has broken and dispossessed many nations for despising Him and His law word. The same God who gives us the Scriptures is the creator and governor of the natural world around us. We live in God's creation on God's terms, and if not, we are dispossessed as bad tenants. None of us want to tolerate a bad tenant. Why should God